This project that we built here was the Stephen D. Bell Hall, which is an addition to the Kenan Flagler School of Business to enhance their program, give them a larger student base while still allowing better traffic from one side of the campus to the other.
Mid-Atlantic stepped up to the plate. They started to think outside the box and come up with ideas that would get us to move forward, and then it allowed us to put in the permanent stormwater and get the foundations of the building going.
This was all a stormwater basin. Had a wetlands area over there on the far side. We used this, treated it through a filter basin, and converted it to the permanent pond that you see now at the end of the job. Over on the far side of the building, we had some footings that we had to reroute an existing creek through a temporary 72-inch storm drain pipe so that we could put in the permanent storm drain system and get some of the building footings poured and up and out.
In this general area of the site, one of the more challenging issues we had was excavating for the building so we could install the storm drain that runs around the perimeter of the building, and also excavating for the foundations for the building. There are 2 floors of building underneath where we're standing, so we had to figure out how to keep the dirt secure so you could work safely. With Barnhill, we came up with a system with drilling in a lagging wall that secured the dirt and allowed us to dig for the foundations, and the building worked up from there.
Given the complexity of this project and the logistical issues, how did you guys come up with a plan to keep this whole job moving and get this project done on time and on schedule?
The relationship that we have with Barnhill and the communication. Between Barnhill and us, any issues we had, I felt like we could just sit down and talk to each other as a team and come up with a solution that would work. There was always somebody from Barnhill ready to listen to any ideas that you had, listen to any problems that you had.
Looking back, there's 56 separate subcontracts on this job. You owned 3 of them. What do you feel that made us pick you as the go-to contractor on this job, chosen out of the other 53 contractors that worked on this project?
When we bring a problem to the table, we want to bring a solution with us. And then as a team, we sit down and look at it and figure out the best path forward.
Mid-Atlantic Infrastructures was great to work with throughout. They weren't just a subcontractor, they were a true trade partner that you actually enjoy to talk through and work with.